Okay, so the first part of this is going to be very, very straightforward. We'll just look at multiplication of a measured quantity with error by some constant. Okay, so again, we're back to our little a, which is 25.3 centimeters, plus or minus 0.5 centimeters. There's our absolute error. And I'm going to line up four of them, and let's see if we can figure out what the error should be. So it should make total sense that the worst case scenario is when all four of them are extra long. Okay, so you would take the maximum length, so you would add on the 0.5, so A isn't in fact 25.3 but is in fact 25.8 by adding on the 0.5, and you would add all those guys up, so 4 times 25.8, and then the best case, the other side of the worst case scenario is when they're absolute minimum. So by subtracting, again, we do the same trick that we did last time. You subtract the 25.3, take away 0.5, and that is 24.8. So instead, you now have 4 times 24.8 centimeters. And again, if you take your worst case scenario and your best case, your two extremes of your worst case scenario, okay, and you split the difference between them, then you should get your error. And it should make total sense that your error in this case should just be 4 times the error that's in A. And if you look back to the previous video, we could see that, to one of the earlier videos where we looked at just the addition of A plus A, well, it turned out to be twice the error in A. Okay, so in this case, the error in this one should be 4 times the error that's on any one of them. Okay, 4 times the error that's on any one of them. So 4 times 0.5 is 2 centimeters. Okay, so then your error would be plus or minus 2 centimeters. Hopefully that makes sense. I'll do the rest of multiplication in a separate video because it's a bit trickier.